Hey guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's video without any further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the routine of 16th September 2024 of the day 285, and today is the Monday. So before going to the start today's routine video, I just only wanted to apologize to you that because from the last too many days routine video, I was unable to shoot the routine video just because of I don't have the proper setup as well as my lazy nature. So this is the why I this all the kinds of things happen. So I just only wanted to apologize you, and please forgive me guys. So let's start today's routine video. And one thing I just wanted to tell you guys that what thing is that and this video is the skip days routine video. First I will shoot the skip days routine video. After that I'll shoot present days routine video. Okay, I hope you really understand this clear. So from now throughout the whole this video, if I tell you today means 16th September 2024 Monday, because this video is about the routine of skip days routine video. So let's start. Basically today I woke up and I went to the ground floor, and after some time I came first floor, and after that I started studying. So at the time of afternoon I went ground floor, and after that I washed my mouth, and after that I worshipped, and after that I wore the clothes, and after that I worshipped. Sorry, I totally mismatched. I think that maybe I went to the ground floor, I washed my mouth, and I have taken the bath, and after that I wore clothes, and after that I worshipped in a very proper manner. Okay, so after that I went bathroom. I don't know exactly about it. So after worship, I ate karela, sabji and chawal. Now in English, karela we call. Uh, I totally no idea what we call karela in English. In the last second name is God, maybe God, something like that. So I wrote it down. So let me check it. Uh, let me check it. Maybe I think that maybe I wrote, but I didn't get that word. If I try to search now, then it will take too much time. I think that uh, I wrote here. I know that I not get. I'm searching in a very speedily manner. So let me check again. Karela. Okay. There is not. There is also not. Here is also not. And here, 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 here. I've written here that chukunder we call beetroot, ridged gourd means todi, right? Kaddu means pumpkin, right? But in Karela, I didn't get it. But maybe I wrote it here, but now I am unable to find. Just video length will increase otherwise, and I don't talk enough as I should to talk. So yeah, I will really translate what we call Karela in English, and chawal we call rice in English. Okay. So yeah, after eating the Karela chawal, I ate Maggie, and after that I went to the first floor, and again I went to the ground floor. Okay, so after that I brought bucket and I filled water on bucket, and after that I watched the TV, and after that I came to the first floor, and throughout the whole day I didn't do much thing. I just used my phone, and after that I went to the ground floor again. I went to the first floor, and after that at the time of evening I ate roti plus Karela sabji again, and after that I came Karela sabji. I only ate Karela sabji again and with roti. Okay, so after that I came first floor. Again I went to the ground floor. Again I went to the first floor. Basically this is the thing. This was actually happened throughout the whole day. And then at first floor, when I went to first floor, I spoke in English, used phone, and went for the sleep. So basically, guys, this is the thing which was actually happened and on the time. And I hope you will understand till here. If you really understand till here, then kindly please like it. Because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos at a very continuously manner. So guys, let's learn daily 5 vocabulary. Okay. So our first word is evaluate. Evaluate means guys मूल्यांकन करना. तुम्हें पहले उसका मूल्यांकन करना पड़ेगा, तभी आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. You should first evaluate all the things, and after that you go ahead from there. Okay. So our second word is cure. Cures means guys इलाज. You should cure for self before going to the all. You should cure yourself. After that you should the remaining word. Our third word is healing. Healing means is also the ilaj. You should healing first, then after that do another thing. In maybe guys there is something wrong in cures and healing. So let me point down so that I will get to know. And I made a circle here so that because I have here doubt, and in future in one of the videos I'll discuss all the circle where I doubt in the example I'll discuss. Okay. So our first 1 2 3 fourth word is incurable. Incurable means guys लाइलाज. यह बहुत ही लाइलाज है. It is very incurable. I also have doubt in this example, so let me circle it. Our last but not least word is इंश्योरेंस. इंश्योरेंस मीन्स गाइज बीमा. तुम्हें अपना बीमा करा लेना चाहिए. यू शुड मेड योर इंश्योरेंस. So yeah guys, basically this is the thing which was actually happened today. And I hope you are learning something while learning something from this video. So yeah, so basically let's talk about one of the topic, the concept of time. Today we are gonna to talk about the concept of time. Okay, the concept of time. Basically guys, time is nothing. It is just a passage of something which will never come, right? Time is nothing which is passes, which is running, and which will never come. That point of time means at the time where I am speaking, this will not come again, and the future is restricted. In the future, after 2 minutes, what I told you, that will not come again. That means time will come only one time, and after that all be hidden. That will not come again. But the thing is that what you do now in that present of time, in future of time, the return you will get, right? Most of the cases you will get in future, not in most of the cases, in every cases. Okay. So yeah, this is the time. And people should also learn that management of time. Basically I am also not manage my time at a enough manner. I'm like, I manage time like this. On average people doing manage time like this, I'm doing like this. This is my one of the bad thing which I don't like, and I really have to improve it a very soon, in a very perfect manner. So yeah, this is the thing which I actually wanted to tell you guys. And yeah, and I don't like this such kind of activities which I do, and I have to improve it very soon. And people should also, in a school there should also be a one of the subject where they teach the lessons, life related lessons, also the concept of time, as well as the management of the time, as well as how to use the time. These are all the kinds of things should also be taught by the teachers as well. So yeah guys, basically this is the thing which is I actually wanted to told you guys. And yeah, there is nothing anything. So yeah guys, this is the all the thing that we have discussed today. And today first of all I told you my routine, and after that we learned 5 vocabulary, and after that we have discussed the topic of the concept of time. I discussed the concept of time. First I told you my routine, and after that I learned 5 vocabulary, and after that I discussed the concept of time. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today, and I think that it is enough for today. So let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.